Hey folks, I'm back with you. Gonna do some quick beam shots for you. We'll start out with the Phoenix. Medium. Low. High. Again. Medium. Low. High. Next up, the power tack. High. Medium. Low. Strobe feature. Lastly, the night court tube. Low. As you can see, still plenty of light to get into a door. And high on the night core tube. Now, one interesting fact with the night core tube is if you press and hold the power button, you can cycle from every lumen setting between 1 and 40. See that? Well, that's it, folks. Thank you. And as always, God bless.